So we are here in Nebraska, and we're at Smith Falls State Park at the tallest waterfall in the state. So we are camped here as well. There's no amenities to stay here and no generators. That was a really nice waterfall. We're going to go hike on this nature trail, and then we're going to get some food for our bellies, and there's going to be some more waterfalls here to see in Nebraska.
Follow the ghetto trail to Pine Falls, but you still can't see it.
My wife said she was trying to find Pine Falls through the ghetto trail. Yeah, I'm not sure you're gonna see that thing in there. It's not the best view, but there's the Pine Falls. And here's all the brush in front of it. And here is the ghetto trail. Here is another waterfall. This is just two waterfalls, really short. It's really hard to tell if there's a waterfall on the camera though. But not as awesome as the first one, but two little waterfalls on this little nature trail here. Our dog is wound up and nearly tried to kill my wife. My wife just got over a broken leg, so she does not need any more broken parts. Our dog gets a little stir crazy when it's in the car. Path is a little bit overgrown. Here is Nebraska's scenic waterway. We just walked up a big hill. There's a little side trail I'm gonna explore. Let's see what's over here. Whoa. I think people are trying to see a waterfall down here. Alright, you wanna go back? That took us way up on the mountain, and it was pretty overgrown. Here's another little waterfall. It says Aspen Falls. So the trail is paved to the Smith Falls. So it's handicap accessible. They have walk-in tent sites over here. So most of the Nebraska waterfalls look like they're up on this northern end here, close to South Dakota. We gotta come up here to pay for our campsite and for entrance. But now I am really hungry. I only had my little smoothie this morning and my belly is growling. So we filled up our belly with beef barbecue and sweet potatoes mashed up with broccoli, and then we headed over to Berry Falls, and that was right off the road, so we pulled into a boat ramp so we could view it from across the river there. Now we're at Fort Falls. Do you have something fascinating to tell us about this area?
Not specifically about this area, but Nebraska in general says that it is a super unique ecosystem where the north, south, east, and west all have a part in the state.
What does that mean?
Like, there's eastern deciduous forests, mixed prairies, the northern boreal forests, and Rocky Mountain coniferous forests, and Sandhills Prairie, all in one place.
Are you a flower child, Gracie? No, you not. Look, you knocked them off your head.
No, because we're more.
So my wife is saying that all the ecozones meet together in one place here. It's another paved path. Come on, Gracie. She does not like it. She's like, I don't like it. It even gets worse. Poor little paws. Oh, your poor little feet fall through there.
I think this one is like super comparable in size to that other one.
So we did just time it pretty good here. It was raining like mad in South Dakota, so I believe it's been raining here too. All the roads are really mushy and wet. So I'm not sure what the water flow on these waterfalls are normally, but I am really, really impressed with the waterfalls here and the trails they've got. Right now we're walking down away from the waterfall. There's another trail here to continue to go down towards the scenic river. Boy, it drops off right here. Abby's going to test it out. There's a little rock here. What are you doing, dude? You trying to go down the water? Yeah, don't be going in there. It's pretty deep. They have a sign down here when you're canoeing down the river. So that was a very nice little loop. And Gracie's happy she didn't have to go up those crazy steps. Huh, Gracie? She's in a mood. She's been in the car too much. She's just gonna show me her butt. Huh, Gracie? There you go. She does not like the car. Don't like the car, do you, Gracie? You don't like that thing, do you? So no.